Whoa. Sure going down a lot. Wow. Okay. Here we go. Yeah, this is definitely starting to look like it could. There we go. I think this is Lobster Creek. And we've just hooked up to this. It showed another road to the right, but that's not where we want to go. This is actually going in the direction I would like to go. This is really interesting. Now I don't want to go, I want to go to the right. I don't really want to go up to the left. That's kind of bringing me back up where I was. Got some battery left. Okay. Definitely, I want to go down there first. Wow. That's crazy. This bridge, look at it. It doesn't look like anybody rides or drives on it. Wow. What kind of road is this? I would say nobody's ridden on this road for a while, or driven, if you call this a road. Whoa, 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 whoa. I mean, it was road enough to have a bridge. Wow. One ancient road, I'll tell you that. It's on the map. Okay. All right. Wow. Man, that's a hole. That is a hole. Kind of caught me off guard. Man, this is amazing. I'm just wondering if it comes out on some other road, a main road of some sort. It's crazy. Now running into some flowers. This has some monstrous potholes in here. Well, something was in here not too long ago. That looked like a fairly fresh track. Oof. Wow. Well, that's going to meet up with some road up here. This sort of non-existent railroad. I mean, it's on the map. But geez. What a road. This is a real Billy the Goat road. Woohoo! Now it's starting to get better. I guess. You call that better? Woo! That's definitely not a road. Oop! It was at one time, I guess. It's like this was a road at one time. Well, this is going to meet up with the one road I was on before. Pretty soon, actually. This would have been one of those roads I don't know if I would have gone down it or not. Whoa. Wow, somebody was here. In a Jeep or a truck or something. Okay, big asshole. Get my feet back on the pegs. There we go. Ooh, that was a big rock. There's another one. Gotta watch out for those. Okay. Wow. Oh, there's a big rock. Oop. Well, I'm actually traveling on this thing, which is kind of amazing. Man, this thing was not very long ago had some treacherous mud holes. Whoa. Yeah, I didn't want to puncture anything right there. Wow. Okay. Whoa. This is where using the control of your clutch comes in handy. Put it in the second gear and just kind of slip the clutch a little bit. Oh crap. Oi. Yeah, I don't think I can get through there. This looks like a dead end. That sucks. Well, let me take a look. I need to go back. I need to go back, so go take a look, though. It does not really look passable. Maybe. Jeez. You know, I might actually be able to make it through here. But yeah, I do have something that could cut that, but so once you get past this, what is this? I mean, is this a road? I think I'm going to turn around. We are going to go in a different direction. Looks like animal tracks in here. At some point. Yeah, I'll just go back. I'll make a right on that one road. See where that goes. This is definitely not going to be someplace I want to go. Just get myself buried in some field and I won't be able to go any further. Okay. We are ready. Yeah, somebody was in here. I see the tracks. Not too long ago. But they had to have turned around. These are really just beautiful flowers. Come on. Well, this is steep. There we go. Yeah, I think I kind of like the Mad Dog seat cover. When you're traveling through the forest, the jungle, like a mad dog. Okay. Dun, 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 dun. Dun, 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 dun. Dun 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 dun. Well, there's that big hole. I didn't want to get stuck on or in or something like that. I'm not sure how far I traveled in this thing, this mess of a jungle. Jungle Road. I really thought I was getting somewhere. Yeah, I need to get that bridge and make a right. I don't know, I'm knocking up some kind of vegetation. Now, it looks like I'm going down to a black hole right there. Yeah, heading down to Lobster Creek. Whoa. I thought for sure I was going to make it out of this on this road. I mean, it looked like it was good enough. Oh, great big boulder in the road. Need to go by. There you go. Yeah, I mean, I've made it quite a ways before encountering all that vegetation. Yeah, I thought I was going to make it. Yeah, definitely when I start getting to a main road, I think it's just time to head back. I would like to go down that one road to the right and see what's there. See, this all of a sudden found roads that weren't there on before. Kind of a mishmash of stuff. See, coming through here, you can actually cruise at a decent clip. As long as you don't hit one of those monster holes like this. Yeah, I don't know how long ago this, whatever made these Jeep tracks or whatever they are. Yeah, I remember seeing all these sticks. Yeah, well, I think we're getting close to the bridge. There it is down there. I must say, though, it's just wild riding through here. It's like a bridge to nowhere, you know? Like, why is there a bridge? It's just old, and it's there. It was used once, never to be used again. Now we're going to go to the right. This whole nasty RVs find his way in the middle of nowhere. Wow, that's a sketchy looking dumpy area. It's not even a house. Drive an RV until it just dies. Well, hey, Mr. Goat, how are you? Oh, more goats. Hi, little goat. Hi, little goat. Oh, another goat. Goats everywhere. Ah, found themselves, got a little place there. I see. That must be Swamp Creek down there.